A healthy immune system is critical to optimal health. Yet, as part of the aging process, abnormalities occur to the immune system, and the immune system can either become overactive or underactive. If the immune system becomes overactive, we can even attack our own bodies and create a set of diseases known as autoimmune conditions, like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. And if the immune system becomes underactive, we're more predisposed to infections and cancers. Yet, people are often surprised to learn that 70% of the immune system is found in the intestinal tract, in the gut. So optimizing gut health is critical to maintaining a healthy immune system. Many people suffer from conditions such as leaky gut syndrome, and the doctors at Vitallife have received specialized training, and they know what tests to perform, which is largely ignored by mainstream medicine. But these tests and treatments can help maintain gut health, which then leads to optimal immune system function.